Welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 6 ABC. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you have other queries related to the admission, related to the eligibility criteria, anything, so you can contact us anytime. We are here for help for IGNU related issues, and we are actually providing the consulting services. If you are having any doubts related to your courses and anything, so you can contact it. Now here question number 6a, which is if E is a subset of R with standard metric, then show that. And show that a set is in a metric space, and if and only if uh, a convergent sequence in A convergent to the point A, find the interior enclosure of the set Q of rational in R and the standard metric. So we have solved all the answers accordingly. If you want all the answers of this PDF of all the other courses too, so you can contact anytime. We are here for help you 24/7. Thank you so much for watching.